में हम पहुंच चुके हैं प्रतापगढ़ नोडल तक और हमारे पहले प्रतिभागी होंगी कौशिकी सिंह।
कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफल हेतुर्भु मा ते संगोष्ठ कर्मणि। Namaskar to honorable dignitaries and everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, when I look to 75 years of Indian Constitution, I see its continuous evolution of rights, duties and progress. Adopted on 26th of November 1949, it established India as a democratic republic with a guiding principle of liberty, fraternity, justice and equality. Over the last 75 years, we have seen the cases of Keshav Nanda Bharti, Menaka Gandhi, the landmark judgments of right to privacy, Article 337, Teen Talaq, and which shows our fundamental rights. On the other side, when I look to our fundamental duties, we see Article 51A. But unfortunately, ladies and gentlemen, the incident of Hathras, Manipur, Delhi railway station, Kolkata doctor case, and the increasing number of rapes and murders in our countries make me to raise this question: do we have any duties? Because if we have, we need to remind it again and again. Once Swami Vivekananda said, "Give me 100 youth, I will transform the whole India." Today, we are million in numbers, so we can imagine the possibility of transformation. 106 amendments, 77% literacy rate, 5th largest economy, power to raise your voice, Chandrayaan 3, women reservation, etc. are the leading examples which shows the progress of Indian Constitution. Ladies and gentlemen, India have secularism, still they are fighting over religious issues. India have justice, still lakhs of cases are pending in our court. It holds fraternity, still rapes and murder cases are increasing day by day. But we as a youth of this nation are sitting, scrolling reels, commenting on posts, criticizing government, doing protest because we think it's our right. But we forget our duties. Dear young ones, if we need to honor and celebrate the 75 years of Indian Constitution, we need to protect the dignity of its right, being responsible towards our duties and contribute to its progress, because हम उस माटी के वृक्ष नहीं जिसको नदियों ने सींचा है, हम उस माटी के वृक्ष नहीं जिसको नदियों ने सींचा है। बंजर माटी में रहकर हमने मृत्यु से जीवन खींचा है, मृत्यु से जीवन खींचा है। मैं सागर से भी गहरा हूँ, तुम कितने कंकड़ फेंकोगे? मैं सागर से भी गहरा हूँ, तुम कितने कंकड़ फेंकोगे? मिटने वाला मैं नाम नहीं, तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? इस जग में उतने जुल्म नहीं जितने सहने की ताकत है, इस जग में उतने जुल्म नहीं जितने सहने की ताकत है। तानों के शोर में रहकर भी सच कहने की आदत है, सच कहने की आदत है।